Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today the weather is very beautiful, pleasant and nice. This is morning. I think it is 5:30 a.m. I'm again between the fields and meadows. Very beautiful scene, the noon and the sharp peaks of Kun, two sharp peaks. Then this cone like is noon. Then this is saddle-like structure, mountain hill structure is Yaksba. This is local name. Noon, Kun. These names are given by the climbers, mountaineers, and expeditors. This is the loveliest and greenest part of Suru Valley, which comprises the whole of Taisuru Tahsil in Suru Valley. Suru Valley has its charms and its potential to attract eco-tourists. Besides this eco-tourism potential, this valley has great mountaineering and rock climbing opportunities. It is clearly visible to you, the viewers, that how lofty and tall these peaks and these mountains are. Yes, this is Noon. This is world famous peak Noon. This is not less famous. This becomes in the way to Noon. On the in the lap of those snow-clad peaks, there lies a village Tangol. The locals call this village as Switzerland of Suru Valley. Suru Valley is famous valley in UT Ladakh. It is the main city of district Kargil. Suru Valley, I mean, not this particular Tahsil Taisuru. Suru Valley consists of two Tahsil, Sanku Tahsil, Taisuru Tahsil, and Naib Tahsil at TSG block. Suru Valley, the part and parcel of Kargil district. I am here in between the meadows and fields to irrigate them and water them. I hope my respected viewers would like this piece. If they do so, it is a source of inspiration for me. How magnificent these towering peaks. Then in front of us a mountain comes, that is Mukhar. Beyond this Mukhar mountain, we have a dozen of villages: Panikar, Pranti, Choskor, Byamachan, Achambo, Tango, Tringoche, and many more. Taisuru. Then this is at a far distance where we can see some structures. Those are houses of people. That village is Mahita. Then we come to the lower side of the valley, then Brakchan. These villages are opposite side of the river. Behind this those woods, there is the Suru river running towards Kargil. I mean the district headquarters Kargil, not the whole district Kargil. They are in the lap of on the lap of this mountain. We have some alpine bushes and woods there. That is Brok. Brok means highly situated, cultivated area. That is called Mehta Brok. How tall this tree is, this poplar tree. It's okay. Wassalamu alaikum.